What's up, my stoked and bearded crew? Today, I figured I'd share with you guys me opening a package that I got 3 or 4 days ago that I still haven't opened. My family is calling me crazy, wondering why I haven't opened it. But here we go. Boom. Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, with this, I got, of course, Invisible Shield, Ultra Clear. I'm a person that believes you get what you pay for. So this is what I put on all my phones, and I never leave the store without an OtterBox. This particular one is a commuter. It does not come with a clip. I don't need a clip, and everything is too bulky for me when it comes to the clip. And that's the best way for it to fall off of my pants pocket, belt loop, whatever I put it on. So this is my stuff personally, my go-to. It's never failed me. Now, with this box, everybody I see on the internet has a box that has a picture of a pen, which is the pen I believe comes in the phone that they get. Mine for some reason don't. My box looks cheap. It looks like I bought it from somewhere off the street, but whatever. Now you see these rips. I went ahead and took the plastic off so I won't look stupid on camera. So here we go. This is very tight, snug. Jesus, that thing is huge. The phone. I got mine's in Ora Blue. Just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I get a new SIM card. Let's put that to the side. All right. This thing is gorgeous. We'll power this on in a second. Let's put this to the side. Matter of fact, I'll flip it over so you guys can see that Ora Blue. Oh, by the way, I know I'm flipping it over. They did put a temporary screen protector on this. So thank you, Samsung. Now let's see what all this comes with. Put that aside. Magic box. Up. Instructions. Don't care about those. More instructions. Don't care about those. I read those when there's something I can't figure out how to do. Alright, we got the power adapter, which I believe they call a 25 megawatt. Let's open this thing here. Alright. That's pretty cool. Nice and hefty. There we go. The super fast charger. I doubt that's the 50. I believe we gotta buy that. Alright, what do we have here? I'm just gonna tear everything over. Get it. This is the charger. Double-sided. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Put that aside. What is this here? Oh, I'm not gonna open this, but this is the utensil you use to change out the tip of your stylus. Put that aside. What else? Oh, headphones, EKG headphones. I have to check those out. Just check them out. Thought I'd use them. I have wireless, and of course, oh, look at this. This is the one thing I believe is called a USB-C. I'm glad that this came with this phone, because every phone I get, I do a lot of recording on my phone, I have to go buy another one. Well, I'm sorry, buy one to go to the phone. But anyway, all right, the main event. Let's see what this thing looks like. Let's see this stylus real quick. Oh, it is snug. Oh, look at that shimmer. Well, it looks a little purple on camera, but not in person, it looks blue. Nice phone. Alright, I believe this is the power button. Let's see here. Yes. We have life. That is beautiful. Now, the actual camera that I'm shooting with right now that you guys are watching is the Galaxy Note 5. And you guys, yeah, this camera is amazing. Never failed. I love this phone. I've been hanging on to it for so long, but everybody keeps wondering when the heck am I gonna get a new phone. So here we go, just for you guys. Let's go. English, of course. All right. Some of the information, blah blah blah. Let's see. Yep, we'll click all that. I have read and agreed. Well, this thing is huge. We'll do this later. Skip skip anyway. See? January. We do not want to rush the winter. Whatever. I'll set that stuff later. Jeez, he's got a lot of stuff. Set. Do that later. Man. Face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, PIN, password. Not now. Glad you got those options. Protect your phone. Skip that anyway. Man, I still have to put my SIM card in here, so I don't know how far this is gonna go. This thing is massive. You see my hand right here. This thing is massive. Guys, there may be a scene skip because my phone actually ran out of memory. So, exactly why we got this phone. Let's skip this for now. This is to bring in data from the last phone, which is the one you guys are looking at. We're looking through right now. Can we skip that? Oh, we're skipping all type of stuff. Oh man, all this stuff. Oh, I don't need on my accounts link right now. We just want to see what it looks like. All done, and I did nothing. Here we go. Finish up. Oh my goodness, this thing is crystal clear. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to use this thing. This is literally my first time using one. I'm showing it to you guys. So let's see. I got all the AT&T stuff. It has every typical thing you can think of with a Note, but it is just a feature. So let's do this. The biggest thing to me is the camera. Oh man, if you see that blur around that crystal clear focal point, that crystal clear focal point would have been where your plate of food was. Man, we're starting this off right. Next preset is nighttime for your nighttime shooting, of course. Next preset, panorama, for those wide angle pictures of your family or the sunset, whatever you want. Pro settings for everyone who likes to customize their camera to take the pictures how they want, as far as the resolution, the saturation, the pixels, the timers, you name it is here. Live focus. Oh, if you look at the live focus, you see those circles in the center, which is white, and it has something around it. Well, that something around it is the filter. Whatever is in the white circle stays in focus. That's pretty sweet. Next, we got photos. Now, if you look close at the photos, you'll see these three groups of pictures that look like trees. Those represent 3 cameras on the back, which everybody was wondering about. Now, the one tree by itself is the maximum zoom in, all in your face. This is medium, zoomed out, and this is all the way zoomed out, which will come in handy. You even got the same presets on the video, live focus, slow-mo, you name it, it's here. I'm not gonna bore you guys with everything else, but lastly, I always like to see what exactly the lock screen looks like. Oh, look at that. Now I'm curious to see exactly what the presets are for that. But my Stoked and Bearded crew, I thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being part of this unboxing process. And I hope you guys have a great evening, great morning, wherever you are.